Welcome to Runpaq YouTube channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to our star product, the Insert Electromagnetic Flowmeter, DN100, DN2000PN25 Modbus RS485, with an amazing accuracy of 0.5%. One of the standout features is that there's absolutely no pressure loss. Plus, its anti-interference performance is top-notch. The electrodes are a marvel too. They feature an anti-fouling design. Another intelligent feature is the automatic tracking of the 0 point. It constantly calibrates itself, no matter how long it's been in use. And here's a cool bonus, it supports bidirectional flow measurement. When it comes to connectivity, we've got you covered. With multiple communication protocols and interfaces like RS485, number, GPRS or GSM, 4 to 20 mA, pulse, and frequency, you can integrate it into any modern monitoring system with ease. Last but not least, it offers excellent protection. With an IP68 rating, it can withstand all kinds of harsh conditions, from water splashes to dust. It's built to last. If you're looking for a reliable, accurate, and feature-packed flow measurement solution, this is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.